just wanna dance, sipping something on the weekend, cherry on top of a good time. I just wanna dance, sipping sunsets on the ceiling. It's electric all night.
Hey guys, welcome to today's video. We're going to Ikea. We're gonna look at some things for my room. So let's go.
My daughter is crazy on my days.
Let's go, let's just get away. Don't keep me waiting. No doubt
We're gonna see what we can find. The main thing is to find a bed. So let's go. We're in the desk area right now. I don't think there's anything that interests us. We did look at some, but I already have a desk, and I don't think we want a desk for there, but we'll see. This kitchen is so nice. I love it. Let me show you. Okay, we're currently looking for a bed for my room. I'm a little disappointed right now, but also my dad gave me this. I don't know why. I don't know why he gave it to me. I'm just holding it, but yeah. I'm gonna have to pick something soon, but I'll let you guys know what I think. Alright guys, first of all we switched teddies. It's for Sky. But we picked the bed. We're gonna forgot to show you though, but we're gonna get it once we go downstairs. No, I don't want that bed.
So some game mais pequena.
I'm usually more fancy free, so don't keep me waiting. How amazing is to lose control. Losing it with you is wonderful. Can't wait to try new things, boy, so don't keep me waiting.
Hey guys, we are like at the end now, and we're gonna go find the bed.
Let's get it going. We don't need no one. Say so. Take you to Mars. It's worth a seat in the stars. I'ma do it. Keep your word next to me. Baby boo, we ain't got nothing to.
We just got side-eyed by it. Oh, okay, we found it. It's right here. We found it. That's the one. It has 3 boxes. 1, 3, and 2. Definitely about to get kicked out. We got side-eyed by 2 workers now. Okay, we need to find something else now. There is a massive queue to the lift, so now we have to wait. So that's what it's looking like.
I'm usually more fancy free, so don't keep me waiting.
I'm back home. That was a successful trip. We're not gonna build the bed today because we need to get this one out, obviously. But when we get it built and stuff, I'll show you probably in the next video. However, I do have something to say before I go. Tomorrow I'm filming something. If you saw my last video, it is for that, and it's gonna be out very soon. I'm gonna do that tomorrow, but it's gonna be out really soon. So stay tuned for that, and I'll put in the YouTube channel for this that I'm talking about. So my last video, I'll put it still on the screen. You guys can go and follow it, and yeah. I'll see you guys really soon. Thank you for watching. Make sure to comment, like, and subscribe if you haven't already. I'll see you guys soon.